Difference between law and jurisprudence. Meaning. Law is a collection of specific rules and regulations enacted by a sovereign authority, like a parliament, to govern human conduct within a society. Jurisprudence, however, is the science of law. It is the study and philosophy of law that investigates the nature, origin, and development of those laws rather than just the rules themselves. Nature. Law is practical and applied in nature and is used by courts in deciding cases. On the other hand, jurisprudence is theoretical and philosophical in nature. Function. Law is enforced by courts to maintain discipline and justice in society, whereas jurisprudence explains the principles, concepts, and ideas behind law. Scope. Law is limited to a particular country or legal system, but jurisprudence is universal in nature and is not confined to any one country. Purpose. The purpose of law is to maintain order and justice in society, while the purpose of jurisprudence is to help in understanding, interpreting, and developing law. Concern. Law directly deals with rights, duties, and liabilities of individuals, whereas jurisprudence deals with these concepts only in a theoretical manner. Definition and scope. Law is a collection of specific rules and regulations enacted by a sovereign authority, like a parliament, to govern human conduct within a society. Jurisprudence, however, is the science of law. It is a much broader field that investigates the nature, origin, and development of those laws rather than just the rules themselves. Concrete vs. Abstract. Law is concrete and practical. It consists of written statutes and codes that tell you exactly what you can or cannot do. Jurisprudence is abstract and theoretical. It deals with the underlying philosophy and logic, asking deeper questions about what justice really means or how a legal right is defined. Application vs. Investigation. Law is applied directly by judges and lawyers to settle disputes and punish crimes in a court of law. Jurisprudence is an investigation used by scholars and thinkers to analyze the effectiveness of the legal system. It serves as the grammar that helps professionals interpret and understand the law more clearly. Territorial vs. Universal law is usually territorial, meaning it changes from one country to another, e.g. Indian law differs from American law. Jurisprudence tends to be more universal, focusing on general principles of liability, ownership, and morality that are relevant to legal systems all over the world. Sanction vs. Intellect. Law carries the power of the state and is backed by sanctions. If you break the law, you face a penalty like a fine or imprisonment. Jurisprudence carries no such punishment. It is an intellectual exercise. Disagreeing with a jurisprudential theory has no legal consequences, though it may change how future laws are written.